Hello everyone, this is Chetan Mehta from Skill Cubator. So I just wanted to announce that we have a new session coming up on May 21st, 2018 on Certified Agile Business Systems Analysis. So this video is just to provide you with some more information about the training program, the course content, and the roadmap. So as you can see here that it's pretty straightforward that we start with the training followed by interviews and then the placement and post placement. The total duration of the training is about 6 to 8 weeks. The training also includes Scrum Master and Product Owner certification training. So basically by the end of the training, you will be certified Scrum Master as well as Product Owner, which will obviously give you an edge over others who are not in getting a job. And in today's environment, these two certifications are a must if you want to get a job and build your career as a business analyst. So I would highly recommend anyone who is either planning to start a career as a business analyst or trying to take their career at the next level, work on some certifications. We also provide free application preparation tips, suggestions for any of the IIBA's certifications, whether it's ECBA, CCBA, or CBAP. We will help you prepare your application free of cost if you take training from one of our instructors. So basically there are 4 components to it. So the core component is where all the key concepts of business analysis are taught. Advanced are basically those topics which you will need in your day-to-day work environment, but they are built on the core foundations. So once we are done with the core component, we will expose all the advanced topics, teach you with examples, with case studies, with assignments. The next is the business domain. Now, business domain is it's a vast topic. It depends on which domain you are interested, whether it's a finance, whether it's healthcare or any other domain. We'll work with you and provide you with that domain expertise. And then the fourth component is the hands-on tool, the set of tools you will be using to do your case studies, assignments, in-class exercise, all of that. So as part of the core component, the topics will be basically business systems analysis fundamentals. What exactly is business analysis? Who is a business analyst? Importance of a business analyst, right? We'll also see from the case study perspective. Then we'll talk about the project management concepts. What is a project? What exactly is project management? Iron triangle, different phases of the project, right? And the key knowledge areas and processes within each of them. What exactly is the difference between the project scope and a product scope? Key project management artifacts, those kind of things. We'll also cover key management concepts like value chain, lean principles, Kanban, Pokayoki, core competency, Kaizen, business process management, those topics. As part of the stakeholder analysis, we'll see who is a stakeholder, primary versus secondary, active versus passive, different types of stakeholders, different types of organizational structures, what is RACI matrix, how to create one. Then one of the most important topics for a BA is the different types of requirements. So what is a requirement? Understanding different types of requirements, right? Whether it's a functional, non-functional, interface, high-level business needs, your business rules, all of these will be studied from some real examples, real world perspective. Then we'll talk about the software development lifecycle, different phases within the SDLC, role of a business analyst within the SDLC, And then we'll see the different software engineering models or methodologies, ranging from starting from waterfall to spiral, RAD, RUP, Scrum, and many more. Next, we'll cover requirements processes. There are different requirements processes, the core component or the foundation on which the entire requirements lifecycle exists. We'll study all of those. Then, as part of the requirements analysis, there are different concepts, principles we'll be using. So, for example, in order to analyze business requirements, we'll have to see the SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities, threats, root cause analysis, business process management, gap analysis. Similarly, for the systems analysis or system level requirements analysis, there are different concepts, different principles we need to see, like different modeling concepts like system context diagrams, object oriented concepts, UML modeling, and then creating different artifacts like FRDs, BRDs, SRS, interface control document, data dictionary, and many more. The advanced concepts basically covers all the agile principles, agile topics, different types of software development models within the agile environment, principles of agile, different ceremonies within Scrum. We'll focus on Scrum because many projects are done using Scrum and Kanban also. So we'll cover both of these, Scrum and Kanban. So within Scrum, we'll go in detail about all the ceremonies, all the artifacts created, the role of a business analyst in Scrum, and the most important part is hands-on using Jira and Confluence. In addition to that, we'll also cover SQL, structured query language, which is used to query the database. So you need to know how to write queries. So we'll study that, followed by BPMN concepts, which is business process model and notation. It's a very important concept and very important topic for a business analyst who needs to be an expert in his or her area. As I said, Jira Confluence will do all the assignments using Jira Confluence, which are related to Agile. We'll also see configuration and change management. Then the system architecture models, whether it's 2-tier, 3-tier, SOA architecture, cloud-based architecture. And then finally, we'll see all the advanced topics like cloud computing, DevOps, continuous integration deployment, automation, test-driven development, things like that. Now this slide talks about all the different tools we'll be using. So the first one is Microsoft Office, which is a basically standard Word, Excel, PowerPoint we'll be using to create documentation, create RTM, data analysis, things like that. The second one is Microsoft Visio or Glyphy, Lucidchart. We'll be using any of these tools to create process models, system context diagram, UML based diagrams. The third one is the bunch of tools. There are different tools: Visagi, Camunda, Bonita, Signavio, Draw.io. So these tools will be used to create BPMN based process flows. So in order to create any of the BPMN 2.0 based process models, we'll be using any of these tools. Number 4, Ganter is a tool we'll be using to create project plan schedule. Number 5, Balsamiq Mockflow will be used to create wireframes mockups. 6, Jira will be used to create your stories, backlog grooming, managing the sprint, closing the sprint, burn down charts, all of those things. Confluence will be used to create your wiki pages, to manage your project artifacts, documentation. Number 8, Tortoise SVN will be using this tool to demo the configuration management, check in and check out an artifact, and see the importance of checking out and checking in an artifact. Number 9, Trello will use this tool to manage a Kanban board. So Kanban is a concept, as I said, within the Agile. We'll be using this tool to create a Kanban board to move things around in the Kanban board, and also do lots of hands-on assignments using all of these tools. And number 10 is Slack. It's just basically for team collaboration. So I use this tool. For example, there are like 10 participants in one cohort. So we'll be using Slack to communicate. It's an app-based tool. So you can either put it on your, download on your phone, or you can also use it on your desktop. But this is basically used to communicate within the team. So more for a collaboration purpose, communication purpose. So these are the tools we'll be using, and you will be using as well in order to do any of the in-class assignments, case studies, or any other assignments we will be giving it to you. So you can see there are more than 10 tools, bunch of other tools we'll be using which are not listed here. You will be using these tools hands-on to do the work, to do the assignments, case studies. So what's unique about our training program? First thing is it's a small group size. That means, we don't go beyond 10 participants or 10 trainees per session, because we need to make it more manageable, more interactive, more collaborative. So it's a small group size wherein trainees can ask questions to the instructor, and instructor is also able to provide a good feedback within the time frame. The second thing is this course is aligned to the BEBOK 3.0 as well as PMI's body of knowledge. So it has got two components. One is this body of knowledge, whether it's from IIBA or PMI's body of knowledge. At the same time, it's also built based on real world scenarios, a practical application of the concepts, principles in a day-to-day environment. So it's not only theoretical, but also application of those principles in a real world scenario. Now, someone who is planning to take certification in the business analyst field, whether from IIB or PMI, this course will obviously help you because this has been built based on this body of knowledge. The third thing is this training includes training for Scrum Master and Product Owner certification. That means by the end of this training, you will be certified Scrum Master and Product Owner. And this will obviously give you an edge over other candidates in getting a job or putting you to the next level in your current job. As I said, we use a lot of different tools. There are more than 10 tools we'll be using, and these are industry standard tools. So these tools will be used on a real project, and you will be using these tools as part of the training. So it prepares you for a real world situation. And good thing is these tools, most of them are open source. You don't need to pay for it, and you'll be using all the features from the tool. Next, as I said, hands-on application of the knowledge, principles, concepts we will be teaching. Lots of case studies, assignments, online quizzes will be given. In-class exercise are there. So we have a breakout sessions where the teams, the whole one team will be split into small groups as well. All instructors are certified. They are certified in business analysis, agile, project management, and This particular session will be conducted by me. So I'm a certified business analyst from IIBA. I have CBAP, I have PMP, BPM, CSM. I'm a certified agile coach, and I've got a couple of more certifications. And I've been doing this for the past 10 years. So, you know, and I really enjoy training folks, preparing them for this next job. From the domain overview perspective, it depends on your preference. So we will be focusing on the financial domain. Within the financial, there are a couple of other domains or subdomains, so to speak. It can be core banking, investment banking. Within the investment banking, derivatives, fixed income. We can also help you with secondary mortgage domain if you're looking for a job in Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, these kind of institutes. Secondary mortgage, primary mortgage. Other domain we can help you is healthcare. So you'll have to let us know and we will work with you. Course is based on the latest topic or the latest trend which is currently valid or currently prevalent in the industry. So all the topics which are being taught, they are latest and greatest, which currently are in demand in the market. And the last one is, we will do the placements, but there is no contractual obligation. You don't need to be on the payroll of SkillCubator. You can join any firm which you decide. So a lot of places, they make you sign the contract and they make you go through that specific company. Whereas we let you decide whether you want to go through company A, B, C. It's totally up to you. So these are some of the features, and in addition to this, we will be conducting a free demo on 21st of May 2018, and there is no commitment required. You can attend all the sessions, first 5 sessions I mean, free of cost. There is no commitment required from your end. After 5 sessions, you will have to decide whether you want to continue or you want to quit. So until then, you can enjoy all the sessions and you will be given access to the training portal where all the sessions are recorded. You can go and review it, and I will talk more about the portal on 21st of May 2018 during the demo. So as I said, the next session at the cohort starts on May 21st, 2018. The schedule is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. Wednesdays are basically, it's a reserved day for reviewing the assignments, discussing presentations. So we will have a session on Wednesdays, but it's not about covering any new topic or a new concept. It's about you guys giving the entire other group to me presentations, and we'll be reviewing all the assignments, case studies on Wednesdays. So we have 40 plus hours of training, the core training. In addition to that, we will have assignments, case studies, hands-on tools you will be using, online quiz, reading material, in-class exercise, breakout sessions, and as I said, your resume interview preparation as well. So all this is in addition to the 40 hours of core training you will be getting. All sessions are online, so we'll be using GoToTraining tool, and it's a very highly interactive session. So you can see my screen. Obviously, at the same time, I can give control to you. You can share your screen. You can ask me any questions, right? So it's highly interactive. I don't want just me talking. I want everyone to participate in the discussion so that you can learn maximum out of it. And finally, if you are interested, email us back on info@skillcubator.com and we'll schedule a free demo if you want before that, but we we'll be having the next demo on May 21st, 2018. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening to this, for watching this video. And as I said, if you are interested, please call us on 703-200-9921. Email us back on info@skillcubator.com. And our website is www.skillcubator.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.